Hello friends, welcome to Sanvi Prithviraj Education Channel. Friends, today we are going to discuss about the NTSC exam physics series 2. Most important questions with answer for NTSC for 10th students. And not only this helps to 10th students, but who are appearing and preparing for competitive exam, they also gets help from this question and answers. So and it is very important series physics 2. So let us start video. Question 1. With respect to the diagram given below, match the column 1 and 2 to labeling their parts. Column 1, 1A and B, 2 C, D, E, F, 3 G and H, 4 I and J, 5th K. Column 2, A carbon brushes, B split rings, C magnetic poles, D copper coil, E external load. Option 1 1B, 2C, 3D, 4E, 5th A. Option 2 1A, 2B, 3D, 4C, 5E. Option 3 1C, 2D, 3B, 4A, 5E. Option 4 1E, 2B, 3A, 4C, 5D. Option 3 is the correct answer. 1C, 2D, 3B, 4A, 5E. Next question. Question number 2. The weakest force in nature is option 1 strong nuclear force, option 2 weak nuclear force, option 3 electrostatic force, option 4 gravitational force. Correct answer is option 4 gravitational force. Next question. Question number 3. In the following, the correct statements are. See question once again. In the following, the correct statements are. Option A, light require medium for propagation. Option 2, light travels in a straight line. Option C, light is a longitudinal wave. Option D, light consists of tiny energy packets. Option 1, A and C. Option 2, A and D. Option 3, B and D. Option 4, B and C. Correct answer is option 3, B and D. Next question. Question 4. The value of gravitational constant G is option 1 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 mn square kg raised to minus 2. Option 2 13.34 into 10 raised to minus 11 nm square kg raised to minus 2. Option 3 9.8 ms raised to minus 2. Option 4 16.6 ms raised to minus 2. Correct answer is option 1 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 nm square raised to kg minus 2. Sorry, kg raised to minus 2. Question number 5th. Match the column 1 and 2 with respect to scientists and their inventions. Column 1, option 1 Newton, 2 Chadwick, 3 Rontgen, 4 Hertz, 5 Einstein. Column 2, A X-ray, B law of gravitation, C neutron, D theory of relativity, E photoelectric effect. Option 1 1A, 2B, 3C, 4E, 5D. Option 2 1B, 2C, 3A, 4E, 5D. Option 3 1B, 2C, 3E, 4A, 5D. Option 4 1A, 2B, 3A, 4D, 5E. Correct answer is option 2 1B, 2C, 3A, 4E, 5D. Question number 6. Assertion. When light travels from one medium to another medium, it changes the path. Reason are. When light travels from one medium to another medium, its velocity changes. Considering the above, option 1 A is correct but R is wrong. Option 2 A is wrong but R is correct. Option 3 A and R both are correct and R is the correct explanation to A. Option 4 A and R both are correct but R is not the correct explanation to A. Correct answer is option 3 A and R both are correct and R is the correct explanation to A. Question 7. In the following, the wrong statement about the physical quantity work is? Option 1, work is a vector quantity. Option 2, when displacement is 0, work is also 0. Option 3, work is the dot product of force and displacement. Option 4, the SI unit of work is joule. Correct answer is option 1, work is a vector quantity. Question number 8. In the given figure, a person moves from A to B a distance of 3 km and from B to C a distance of 4 km. Then the distance traveled and displacement are in respectively option 1 7 km and 12 km, option 2 12 km and 7 km, option 3 5 km and 7 km, option 4 7 km and 5 km. Correct answer is option 4 7 km and 5 km. Question number 9. A body of mass 4 kg is placed at a height of 1 meter above the ground. The potential energy stored in that body is G is equal to 9.8 raised to minus 2. Option 1 2.45 J, option 2 9.8 J, option 3 19.6 J, option 4 39.2 J. Correct answer is option 4 39.2 J. Question number 10. In the given combination of resistances, the effective resistance across A and C is option 1 5 ohm, option 2 7 ohm, option 3 13 ohm, option 4 16 ohm. Correct answer is option 1 5 ohm. Thanks for watching the video. For next series, please subscribe the channel and share this video to all SSLC students and competitive exam preparing friends. So we will see in the next video for other question and answer series. So until still, bye bye, and once again thank you for one and all for seeing this video completely.